Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make croissants using the only way to achieve perfect lamination. First, ensure your butter block is cold but flexible, about 1/4 the weight of your dough. Your dough should also be chilled and relaxed. This initial preparation is key for successful layering, preventing butter from tearing through the dough during the first roll. For your first fold, roll the dough into a rectangle, roughly 3 times the width of your butter block. Position the butter on 2/3 of the dough. Now, take the unbuttered third and fold it over the butter. Then, fold the remaining buttered third over the top, creating 3 layers. This is your first single fold. After the first fold, chill your dough for at least 30 minutes to relax the gluten and firm the butter. Next, roll the dough into another long rectangle. For the book fold, bring both ends of the dough towards the center, ensuring they meet perfectly. Then, fold the entire dough in half, just like closing a book. You'll perform one more single fold, chilling the dough again for at least 1 hour. This ensures the butter is firm and the dough is relaxed. Finally, roll your dough to a consistent thickness of about 3 millimeters. Now, you're ready to cut the dough into triangles and shape them into beautiful, flaky croissants, ready for proofing and baking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.